Guys, welcome to Riley Fernandez. Yeah, Z's literally making a video too, and as you can see, Z, my totem map. Z, you know what? We don't need this, bro. It's gonna be there. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Nalagay ko to doon. Wo! Okay, made na ako ah. Bro! Okay, bro. May-make na ako siya. Okay. Floor. I don't have metal, bro. Oh, gagi fish da. Z, ma-expand Z para mag-fishing tayo. Tada. Fishing. Oh my god. Kainin ko to. Sige. Z, just save your fish da, bro. Well, Z, mag-fishing rod na ako. Hiya!
Ate, gusto yung mga fish ka, ate, ah.
Sige. Uy.
Ate, ako na fish ka.
Uy.
Ate, saan ba?
Bro, I got a log. I got a log.
Fish ka, oh.
Alit?
Fish ka.
Sige.
Ate, fish ka na.
Sige, fishing lang tayo. Ampera maritarararas.
Good.
What do you mean it's too small?
Fish good.
Bro, another log?
This good.
See, another log, bro.
Yeah, fish ka is good.
Hiya!
Not the log.
Bro, another log. Bro. I think I'm unlucky today, but
Ah, the log.
I'm gonna go to another island.
Agat ka, gato log.
Lagay mo yun sa mga ya. Bye-bye. Okay, now where should we go? Z, you found another island. Is this the island that we explored earlier?
No.
Okay. Oh, yep. Na-explore na natin eh. Ay, hindi. Ano? May metal, Z, oh. Oh, may spear ka, Z.
Ha?
May spear, oh, dito.
Kukunin ko.
Oo, meron ako eh.
Nagkaroon spin?
Ito, oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm the luckiest girl here.
Take.
Okay.
Yay!
I'm unlucky by fishing, but I'm lucky by unboxing, bro. It's like a mini-max.
Minnie Mouse.
Ano Mickey Minnie Mouse? Miska Mickey Mouse.
Yay!
Hiya! Lagay mo sa loob, Z. Dog. Hindi kita kailangan.
Ate, fish ta yan!
Sige, kainin natin. Kainin ko ah. Gutom ako eh. Joke lang, hindi ako gutom. I just really wanna eat it, bro. Hiya!
Nada log!
Nah, bro.
Unlucky.
Shut up, Kraken. Ah, sorry, bro. Shut up, Kraken kid.
Fish ta.
Oy, Kraken kid, alis. Ah, kaya pala eh. Alam ko si paano alisin siya. Tingnan mo, magic ako. Dape.
Ate, fish ta glitching.
Ha ha ha. Lapit ka sa akin.
Stuck.
Z, lagay mo sa sack, Z. Lapit ka sa akin.
Doon.
Z, look, Z. Lapit ka sa akin.
Sumasak ko eh.
Sige. Z, tingnan mo si sa likod mo. Lapit ka sa akin, Kraken kid. Lapit ka sa akin.
Balik ka sa akin. Kalil.
Come, Z, you're literally in the water.
I'm swimming.
Come here, Kraken kid.
Kami cracking night.
Z, I think we're lost. Yo, it led us to another island. Thank you, Kraken kid.
22, 21. 20. Hintayin mo.
Get out, Kraken.
17,
Thank you.
16,
Thank you,
14,
Mag-
10,
Ay, Zay, lutuin ko siya. Zay, look.
9,
Yay.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Turuan mo ako, Zay, kunin yung Kraken.
ano na yung cotton tigers?
Bro, another hook cod. Kakainin ulit kita. Lagay ko na sa sack. Kolektahan! Bro, there's no seashells.
Ako to fish.
Get out. Why do I use some... I kinda use... I accidentally used the med kit.
Ate, ano do it?
I accidentally used the med kit.
No.
I found a chest.
Oh my God, bala.
Another large...
At saka niyan.
Sige. Kala ko meron ka na.
Wala pa. Small sack.
Ay, fishing na ako.
Ito ba? Big sack.
Hiya! Wait.
Good sack.
Hoya!
Pickaxe.
Ay. Wait, did you actually got a pickaxe?
Ate, here you go.
Hooks, saan yung sardinas?
Lego ate. Pickaxe.
Wow, kawawang fish da. Alis ka.
Ton. Hey!
Okay, guys. Bro, guys, we got a log again. Okay, now he stopped.
It's good.
Okay, Zila, now let's find another island. Z, why did you left your pickaxe, bro?
Sa'yo na. Ton.
Z, para Minecraft yung pickaxe na nakuha natin. But realistic verse. Wee. Bro, I'm gonna get the logs. Akin na ikaw. Parang mata. Z.
I'm stuck.
Wala na spawn.
I am swimming.
Bala ka dyan kay Kraken Kid, ah.
I am swimming.
Z, isa. Alis ka na dyan. Stuck ka na naman.
The one?
Yes! Ito uli. Akin ng seashell.
Mama Mia! Oh yeah, wait.
Pickaxe! Okay, well. I forgot my spear, bro. Bye-bye.
What a screen. Like a girl.
Though I'm literally a girl. Who do you think I am? A
No,
boy?
sigaw ako. Maganda ko na sigaw.
Oh my god. Yung sheet of metal, naging carpet. Di ba dito sinilagay natin sa yung mga fish da? Lalo naman. 3, 2, 1. See?
No. Ang bagal ng tracking.
Bye, Kraken Kid. Iwanan kita.
Hey guys, I forgot. This
Wee.
video is 5, 6 seconds long.
See, it's not literally 5 seconds, but just skip 5 seconds, bro.
Wee. I'm swimming. I'm tracking.
I'm literally finding an island. I can't find an... Oh, pa-straight si kay, ano?
Ha?
Pa-straight kay Kraken Kid. Lucky tayo. Gamitan mong island! Okay, dito muna tayo. Tatlo siyang island! Gogi! Check natin mamaya.
Wala bahay. Gumad!
Kasi yung Kraken sila lalapit na sa'yo. Bye-bye, Kraken. You want the wooden spear, bro? Also, screaming for your life. Ay, lutuin kita. Pwede kita kunin. Zay, get him! Bro. Kinukuha ko na nga ang brain niya eh.
Ada ako sa fishing.
Sige na. Zay, look. Another... No. Yung fish da.
Oh, that's so...
Andrag, wait lang.
Ada si Sally. Nakapel.
Do you really see a shark?
Oh,
Patay ng fish da.
look at this.
Oh my god, so you're lucky.
I'm gonna stall it.
Bruh. You're so lucky, ma bro. Hayas!
Ahon ko pa yan. Seriously.
You're so lucky, bro. Hey.
Dagal.
Driving in my car right after a deer. Hey, Bugsy, look. I'm on the sharks.
Yeah, heads.
Driving in my car right after a deer. Hey, Buckhold, you shape like a deer. Deer, what? Shark! Balik ka dito. Dadrive ako. Bye, Z. Dadrive na ako. Ay. Bro, I need food.
Let's eat this.
Can't, bro.
What's
I
that?
really need a bigger one. Another cod again. Oh my god, I hate this.
Kain mo lang to.
Ayoko, be.
Nahulog!
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 Kinain ng shark, Z. Kaya pala eh. Kaya pala eh.
Saan ka ba? Ba't ito yung pista ko?
Driving in my car. Right off.
Ba't ito yung pista ko, ate?
Lo, yung shark kasi ginagalaw ng ano natin, Z. Z! I found your fish! I found your fish!
Saan na yan? Saan na lang?
You know, Z, let's go to the other island that we see.
Wait.
O, Z, yung chicken, Z, nagsaswimming kanina. Bye.
Wait.
Let's go to that island that we see earlier. It's probably here.
One.
Diba? I'm smart.
What the love?
Bye, fish da. Okay, ayasin ko muna. Kunin ko seashell. Wala naman seashell ah. We already go to this island.
Hindi, nagtas ate. Di ba open?
Bro. Ay, takbo! Di, iwanan kita.
Mama.
You're overreacting again. Where should we go, bro? Okay. Z, where are you, bro? Okay. Driving in my car right after a deer. Hey, back called, you shaped like a deer. Deer, why? Okay. Z, you literally get the Kraken. Bye, Kraken kid.
Busog na.
Kala ko busog ka na, Kraken kid. Sinahulog! Sexy. Craft na ako. Z, gagawin yung campfire natin.
Ten, 11, 10, 9,
8.
7, 6,
Look
5, 4, blah, blah, blah.
Ha? A ghost pirate ship. You can spend seashells at the outpost. I don't care, bro. Did you just take that? Oh my.
Kumusan? Kumusan ki? Saan kami? Ki? Ki? At takot ka ba sa akin? At Isal kasi takot sa akin.
Zi, may lookout na tayo.
Hala! Pasan!
Zi, may lookout na tayo.
Ate, wait mo ako!
Di ako yung nagmumove. Ay, be, pa-drive! Huwag mo ako iwanan! Sabi naman. Tabi lang pala! Gogi! Patayin natin yan, Zi.
Sige.
Ayan yung pirate ship! Aray mo po, katabi lang natin! Zee! Tumingin ka sa left mo! I mean right!
Oh!
Oh my god! Zee, just take my seashell.
Wait.
Zee, wait. Let me just collect the seashells.
Phone idea!
Zee, mamaya na, Zee! Wala pa nga ako dyan, nagkukolekta pa eh.
Not.
Bap. Bap. Zee, remember we destroyed the back rooms? I'm ready. For Nadia!
Sunod.
Oy, Zee, wag mo na. Sabay tayo. Zee, hope we don't die. Wait. Oh my god, I hope this isn't acid. Ready? Oh my god.
Ata!
Zee, I fall!
No, I won!
He's falling, bro.
You cannot
For
swim.
Nadia!
I'm gonna die.
Zee, Mama! Mama, Zee! Takbo, Zee, sa campfire! Zee, mag-sprint ka! Hila ko sa campfire. Takbo ko lang!
Bad idea.
Yeah, work all day. Ihil na ako! Takbo lang! Mama! Zee.
Just go up to me.
Baby, to control me, I'm feed you to the world. You get nasty, back at me. Don't, baby, don't control me. Life goes on and on. Zee destroyed the. Zee. Oh, bye. Zee, I destroyed the captain. I destroyed the captain.
Ate,
You know what, Zee? Next time we should go to this. Bro, we literally have a lookout.
I'm gonna die.
Zee, we literally have a lookout. But we can't go up. Zee, pa-climb sa'yo. Zee, pa-climb sa'yo. Dito ka muna. Climb ako. Uy. Huwag muntik na. Kailangan pala 2 players. Zee, huwag ka kumalaho. Guys. Zee, kaya pala eh. Ako naman. Jump on my head. Alis. Jump on my head, bro. Go. Di ako yun gumagalaw, be. Jump! Yes!
Ate, ako sa lupot.
Hi. Kurakin kid, pwede kita lutuin? Sige. Jump on my head. Alis! Go. Ikot mo. Tulog tuloy ako. Yan.
Bakit?
10,
Bakit
9, 8. Zee, may 3 pa pala. Oh my. Zee, baka mo dyan. Zee, may mga chest. Zee, get ready, bro. Excited ka?
Yeah.
Day 6.
Ate, wait lang.
Okay. That scared me. Oo nga pala, campfire. Zee, gutom na ako, Zee. Kain ko, Zee. No. Wakan mo to, Zee. Wakan mo. Androg. Dali, wakan mo! Kain ako, eh.
Nahulog.
Kuha ko na. Ready? For Nadia! For Nard.
Nadia.
Zino, takbo na ako.
This one is wrong.
Oh, baby. You can destroy all, bro. Si takbo na ako! Mama!
Hoy!
Mama!
Hindi ko dawan!
Tulungan kita.
Bastay! Ate na!
Kaya mo yan. Sa ulo mo na! Si Camper Z, di ba si may nabuild kasi spikes? Dali Z, lagay mo siya sa spikes.
Ano, mapatay na ako!
Sa campfire. Ako na mag-deal. Wow, patay. Heal muna tayo. Design mo na ako ah. Wait, bili mo na ako dito.
Gagi.
Oh, wag mo. Oo, gogi.
My God!
Z, wag siya dyan. Boat shop. Close. Design mo na ako, design mo na ako.
Oh my God, ate.
Sige, sige, sige. Kolekta tayo mamaya. Zeno, reset!
Ano reset?
Tingnan mo talaga.
Reset?
Oo. Kailangan natin good. You know what?
Ate, wait lang!
Follow me every... Mama. 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 Z. Mama. Bro. Bro. Mama, tawag na. Mama. 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 Mama.
Hoy!
Ikot-ikot na lang. This is a campfire. Mama, Jay, mamatay na ako sa... Ikot-ikot ka lang, be.
Mama, Mia!
Sige.
Mama! 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 Mama!
Jay, my short.
Mama! Mama!
Oh my God. Mama. Paano ko i-revive? Wait lang, i-revive ko pa. What? Guys,
This is the end of the video.
this is not the end of the video.
Yeah.
We still can't go to another server, bro.
Let's play something else.
Yeah, let's play something else. Anyways, guys, so let's play something. Bro, we literally did not survive, but I didn't record.
I'm screaming.
Bro, nakakatawa, no?
Yes.
Okay, so,
Mama.
what should we play? What should we play, bro? Okay, let me see. Bro, not the zombies beta. That literally so old. What is that? Oh, hell yeah. Guys, let's play that game. Bro, you're literally in shiv.
Ate.
Get nasty. Z, you're offline.
I'm up.
You're offline.
Nasty.
You're offline, bro. Ay. Z. Ako Z magpatay Z sa taas.
Okay, ako. Adi
Ako sa taas ha.
play this game.
And we survived 14. Right.
Yep.
Why you 11? Oh yeah, cause I played alone. Oh wait.
I played alone.
2. Dali Z. Yay. Oy, katabi tayo ah. Z, let's go to a zombie arena.
Zombie apocalypse.
Yeah. Z,
Yeah.
sa ano ako ah? Taas ikaw sa baba. So guys, let's try to survive.
Yes, me. Let's go.
Di, punta ka sa baba. Punta ka sa baba. Fire! Baka makuha mo sa akin, ha? Kuha mo sa akin. Lo, akin na yan. Tulungan kita. Ito sa akin. Yes.
Dito, base ko ah.
Sige, ako dito. Sa war zone ako. Get up. Mama! Itong base ko. Di pag kailangan ko health, di pagka sa'yo, atis. Pag kailangan mo health, pagka sa'yo. Okay. No, we really need to survive. Yes. Wave 2 cleared. Wave 5. Ano wave? Ay? Wala din nag-spawn. Oo. Parang ko. Spawn na.
Let's die.
Die, bro.
Let's die.
Ba't ang konti sa akin?
Oh, good na. I'm die.
Sabi, kailangan mo na tulong?
Ikaw.
Kailangan kita. Dami! Sige. Meron pang isa sa akin. Saan ka nag-spawn, be?
Yan. God na ako.
Zilok. Yeah.
At mas God na ako.
Okay lang sa akin, Z. Huwag mo kunin sa akin. Pag kinuha mo sa akin, lagot ka. Promise? Aray, makuhanin ko muna shotgun. Yes.
Ayun, isa. Punta sa akin.
Na-trick shot ko, Z.
Yeah. Headshot.
What do you mean runners are coming? Dami ko sa baba. Z, pag sinop mo siya sa in front of you. Tulungan kita. Bakit dami sa'yo? Mama! Mama!
Mutik na ako.
Ako nga dyan eh.
Chat kang map. Dahil si ko ate.
Sige. Until we get a rifle, but I'm still saving the money. True, I even have no damage. Okay, it's not any damage. Get it. Zeno's going to me! Ano may rifle? No? Okay, get your better than that. No, it's only 750. Dami sa'yo, C! Oh my god! Trick shot! Trick shot! Sige.
Ate, sorry.
Okay, bro.
Ano na ito? Busuka na.
Kasi di ba may minigun ako at the end last time? Di, daming orange guy dito. Mama. Tulong. Di, yung sa'yo pumupunta na dito. Kaya mo na akin na to. Pumupunta na sa'yo eh. Huwag lumapit kasi ng patay agad sila. Di, wag mo na ako tulungan. Ba't ka nahulog sa base mo? Sige lang. Bye. AFK na ako dito sa H. The kid are coming. You mean the fat purple thing that destroyed us the last time, right, Z? Mama, tulong! Z, ang dami na! Let's survive. Let's survive 20. Yeah, wait a minute. Ha? Ilan kita? Wait lang, patayin ko muna itong dami. Ay, apat na. Hindi, may dalawang malaki. Tapos na.
Let's go.
This one ba may event? Kasi nakalagay sa screen ko may event 3 eh. Zay, yung kasayo Zay, pumunta sa taas. Sabihan mo na Zay. Do your own, go do your own. Oh, hell na. Sabay ko na yun eh. Nah, bro. I need a rifle for this. Bili yung rifle. Bili ka ng rifle, Zay. Bili ka ng rifle, bro. Ito na. Sige, tulungan kita. Ano pa ba? Oh, sino kaya dito?
Thank you.
Z, I literally got no damage there.
Yeah.
Wave 10 na, Z. Pew, 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 pew. Z, you know what, Z? Palapitin ko muna, Z, para madam. Z, go get my fucking red! Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Mama, mayroon pa sa likod. Mama. Pew, 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 pew. Guys, we're literally surviving, right, Z? Diba sino survive mo tayo?
No.
Wait, you're not surviving? Ang dami sa'yo! Patay ka na?
Ang dami sa akin.
Tulungan kita. I'm using a rifle. You died? Sure. Sino pa kaya dito? Ang tawag ko. Because I'm a pro now, bro. Bye! Die! Sige, go wave 11, Z. Namatay ka dito, sino? Okay. Guys, we're looking running right now. Dami naman sa'yo, Z. Dumadami na, dumadami. Sige, sige. Oh, sige. Oh, hell no. Just let's say bye to you, bro. Dami, Z. Z, parang sila. Hey, Nadia. Gogi, meron sa likod ko. Ikot-ikot na lang ako. I really survived my own last time. Di ba binigan? Ano na, I got 2,500 so I can get the minigun. Buy your own minigun, bro. Tatakbo na ako. Wave 14, namatay ako doon.
Hindi ako lagi yan.
Bakit dyan? Base ko yan eh. No. Base ko yan eh. Dito. Namatay ka? Good. Very good. You're surrounded, you know. No. Mama! Di papatay na ako. Okay, now guys. This is the last time na. Last time na to, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, what should we play? Okay. Okay, guys. Z, what should we play, bro? Tiramisu. Z, you're sus, bro.
Why?
Okay, ito ba? Let's design our avatar, bro. This is the last one, and
Yes.
we're gonna end the video.
Guys, why I scream? I think it's a minigun.
Bro, I literally get a... That's why, bro, because I didn't have a minigun, and I'm literally surrounded. That's why I died. Huh? This is not my own avatar, okay? It's not my own avatar. Look, I got a proof. I'm not the owner. I'm just wearing it. See, you haven't played this before. I mean, you haven't played this before. You haven't played it now. Even for days.
Don't say
Yay.
I'm gay. Don't say.
You're not gay, bro. Some boys are playing. Look. Proof, huh? Cool kids here.
Yeah, cool kid.
Is that cool kid anyways? Wait, let's go. Let's go na. Punta na ako doon sa edge.
Wait lang.
Okay. I think my voice is good too. Baby man. Nilar natin. Black? Black? What black? Ay, ano same? Di ako TV woman. O TV man. Yun nga ako to. Avatar ko to. Pero guys, this is not my real avatar, okay? I did not make this.
I'm not gay. I'm not.
He's not gay, bro.
Because
Did you just glitch?
I'm not this baby. I'm a spin.
Okay. See, mag-change muna ako ng avatar. Para di makuha ng ibang tao. Sweet! See, malapit na tayo. Yan, oh. Tingnan mo yun. Yan, oh. Dito ako mag-change ng avatar. Guys, itong mga avatar ko.
Guys, don't tell I'm gay. Don't tell me.
What do you mean? You're not gay, bro. You're not gay. What should Yo, I should transform into...
Bakit kaya mo ako nakakita?
Di ako yung monster. Rare. And this is usually me. I stole this avatar, but I added a hammer.
Man.
What should I also add? Don't see. Ta-da! Okay, bro, literally making a TV, ma. La 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 la, gonna get some. Yippee. Rare.
Hello, I'm Betty.
See, you're not verity, bro.
Dapat Betty.
Literally, TVT. Literally TVT. TVT.
I'm so cool.
Bro, you're all purple. That's literally my fav color.
Thank you, man.
Bro, is he gay?
Hindi pala.
Remember the back shot that you watched? Not TV man.
Don't tell it. Don't tell it.
They already know, bro, because TV man already updated. I mean, updated, uploaded.
I should point it.
This is my. I made this, guys. I made this. I'm not lying. I made this. I made this. Black cats are not bad luck. I literally made this.
Baby man. Baby man.
Okay. Anong baby man? Bakit baby man? Okay. Ow. Ow, 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 ow.
Spell A. Spell.
Okay. Okay, guys. Wait a minute. Wait, guys. Wait lang. Okay, guys. I'm back. That was just a... Zee, di ba si Tita lang yung nag-nanood non-sound? Zee, ba't may tao ka nakita dito kanina? Did I just glitched? Bro, did I just glitch?
I'm so cool.
You're not, bro.
Ay, kung di naman yung
Okay. Zee, I'ma wait you. I'ma wait you,
I'm
bro.
done.
Wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. Waiting. Z, anong lalaro?
Di-design ba ako?
Ah,
Wait lang.
wait. De-design muna ako. Oh, balik ko ng avatar.
Done.
Ito ng avatar.
Save it 2 times.
Beto na ako.
Done. But I think it's so
Ugly.
sad.
Sad. Hello, bro. You're AFK. What are you saying, bro? Brother.
I want
Brother.
I don't speak in mine. First, I don't speak in mine.
Okay.
I swear. So it's
You know what, Z? Let's end this.
bye.
Bye. Bye, Z.
At yun na tayo today.